it's Sarah with WTI. I'm here to show you these awesome belts. If you have a toddler that is tall and lean and no pants seem to fit, well, I have the perfect solution for you. These belts are great. Not only are they adjustable to your toddler's waist, but also they're easy to put on and easy to take off. A bonus perk, they have this cute little belt buckle. Watch my little guy as he proudly wears his pants. See? I told you. Aren't they great? These are the perfect solution to your toddler's tiny little waist, no matter what pair of pants it is. The best part about it is that with them being adjustable, they're going to last you a very long time as they grow with your child and adjust with your child. And that is my point of view.